In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Stripe to your Big Cartel website. Let's get started by examining every step you'll need to take to seamlessly integrate these two platforms, ensuring smooth transactions for your online store. To begin, we need to navigate to the Big Cartel dashboard. Simply log into your Big Cartel account and you'll find yourself at the dashboard page. This is where everything important about your store will start, from managing products to handling orders and, of course, setting up payment options. Once you're in the dashboard, look for your profile settings. It's typically represented by an icon or your store name. Clicking here will grant you access to various options related to your store's setup. This is important because your payment settings are housed within these options. After clicking on your profile, scroll down until you spot the option labeled Set up your payment options. This step is crucial, as this is where we will make the connection with Stripe, allowing your customers to make payments effortlessly. So go ahead and click on that option. Next, you'll find yourself on a page dedicated to payment options. Here, among other payment processors, you'll see Stripe as one of the available selections. Click on Connect Stripe. This will initiate the process of linking your Big Cartel store with your Stripe account, which handles all the financial transactions. Upon clicking, you will be redirected to Stripe's platform. If you already have a Stripe account, you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with that account. It's important to use an email address that you check regularly, as Stripe will use it for vital communications regarding your transactions and updates. If you don't have a Stripe account, don't worry. You can easily create one at this stage by following the prompts provided by Stripe. It's a straightforward process that Stripe guides you through, ensuring you set up your account correctly. Once you've entered your email and completed the necessary steps on Stripe's end, click on Submit. This action will finalize the connection between your Stripe account and your Big Cartel store. The transition marks the completion of the integration process, setting your online store up to receive payments from customers through Stripe confidently. And just like that, you've successfully connected Stripe to your Big Cartel website. By following these steps, you've opened your store to a vibrant world of possibilities, allowing for secure and efficient transactions that enhance both your customer experience and your business. Now you're all set to tap into Stripe's powerful payment processing features, helping your business grow and thrive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this video was helpful. Happy selling!